Add Plumbing RoughIns. This tool adds Plumbing RoughIns based on the rules and placement locations in settings. If you do not want to create your own rules, you can use the default rules and 3D families that come with KitchDesigner. That is what we will use now. First, let's open Settings, navigate to the Plumbing tab, and click the Restore Default Rules button in the bottom right-hand corner. Then select Rough-In Rules. This will load in all of the default plumbing rules, and it will load in the 3D families that are placed by these rules. It also loads in a couple connection point families, such as indirect waste. Next, we're going to load in the default rules for the combination rules. Once again, click the Default Rules button and select Rough-In Rules. These are the default combination plumbing rules. This rule will be used to place a single hot and cold water family instead of two individual hot water and cold water families. Press Save to exit. Now we can move on to verifying our plumbing schedule. The default plumbing rules use the following parameters: cold water size, cold water rough-in height, hot water size, hot water rough-in height, direct waste size, direct waste rough-in height, indirect waste size, and gas rough-in height. To place a cold water rough-in, you would need cold water size and cold water rough-in filled out. If you don't fill out the rough-in height parameters, then the rough-ins will not get placed. Next, we can move on to placing our rough-ins. Double-click our floor plan view and click the Add Plumbing Rough-In button. We just placed 35 plumbing rough-ins. The plumbing rough-ins are actually 3D rough-ins. When they are placed sideways, the C's and H's are rotated to stay upright. Next, we will add our plumbing connection points. Connection points are the locations on the pieces of equipment where the water and indirect waste is connected. We need to activate our floor plan view and click the Add Plumbing Connections button. You can see our indirect waste connection points over top of our sink bowls. Connection points are placed on top of pipe connectors inside the family. Connection points are only 2D generic annotations. They don't have any 3D symbol associated with them. Next, we will tag our plumbing rough-ins. Using the Tag All Plumbing tool, we are able to tag the plumbing fixture families that were just placed. Double-click our floor plan to activate it, and click the Tag All Plumbing button. We can only tag the selected families if we would like, but if nothing is selected, it will tag every plumbing fixture family.